All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of it. Rich and very heritage. I shall give my parents and teachers and all elders and treat everyone with courtesy to my country and my people. I pledge my devotion in their well-being and prosperity, along life, madness. Jai Hind.
Happy morning everyone. Today's international and national news is brought to you by Kirtan of Grade-VII Topaz. International news. US shoots down Chinese balloon, Beijing warns of similar response. Rishi Sunak makes special gesture by joining India-UK security dialogue. National news. Indian government blocks more than 230 betting loan apps linked to China. PM Modi emerges as world's most popular leader, defeats Sunak and Biden. Thank you. Have a great day.
Today's State and Sport News is brought to you by Arkham from Grade-VII Topaz. State News. India largest EV rally flag off in Hyderabad. CM KCR demands probe on Adani unveils BRS agenda. Sport News. Cristiano Ronaldo scored first goal for Al Nassr. A stoppage time penalty to draw the game 2-2. India chance in T20 WC will be largely depends on top order Mithali. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Today's weather report is brought to you by Sri Chana of Grade-VII Topaz. Weather report. Minimum temperature 20 degrees Celsius, maximum temperature 34 degrees Celsius, mostly sunny. Thank you. Happy morning everyone. Today's thought of the day is brought to you by Abhinav of Grade-VII Topaz. Thought. When you talk, you are only repeating something. You know, but if you listen, you may learn something. I repeat my thought. When you talk, you are only repeating something. You know, but if you listen, you may learn something. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. I am Ramcharan from Grade-VII Topaz. Word. Effect. To turn away or prevent. Thank you. My friend Sivacharan will continue GK questions. Today's GK questions from 1 to 5 is brought to you by B. Shochem from Grade-VII Topaz. Question for Grade 1. Rainbow consists of how many colors? Yes, you have picked the right answer. And the answer is 7. Let us appreciate them. Question for Grade 2. How many consonants are there in the English alphabet? Yes, you have picked the right answer, and the answer is 21. Let us appreciate them. Question for Grade 3. Which animal is known as ship of desert? Yes, you have picked the right answer, and the answer is camel. Let us appreciate them. Question for Grade 4. Name the national fruit of India. Yes, you have picked the right answer, and the answer is mango. Let us appreciate them. Question for Grade 5. Name the longest river on earth. Yes, you have picked the right answer, and the answer is Nile River. Let us wish them. Questions from Grade 6 to 9 will be continued by my friend Manishankar. Happy morning to everyone. I am G. Manishankar from Grade-VII Topaz. Today I am continuing GK questions from Grade 6 to 9. Question for Grade 6. Name the first man to walk on the moon. You have picked the right answer. Let us appreciate them. Question for Grade 7. How much time does the sunlight takes to reach the earth?
8 minutes 20 seconds.
You have picked the right answer. Let us appreciate them. Question for Grade. Answer for grade 7, 8 minutes 20 seconds. Question for grade 7, grade 8. Which is largest bone in human body? Answer is femur. Femur. Femur bone. Question for grade 9. Who is father of Indian Navy? Answer is Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Open question for all. Who is father of surgery? You have picked the right answer. Let us appreciate them.
Answer, I don't know. What is the answer? Spell the answer.
Answer is Sushruta. Thank you.